the stars of the show. Not forgetting also to welcome on Buddy. It's showtime.
Alright, hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum, Привет, Namaste, all set to be together. My name is Sid and you are.
DJ Cats.
On the top you're watching, he's the second largest pilot in the world. He's 7 years old. His name is Jordan. Okay, now we will have two birds. They will come and do some dancing. How many of you like dancing? Show me your hands out. Wow, wow. You know I like dancing also. You know when I start dancing, people say I put fire on the floor.
How good you are in dancing?
I'm a really good dancer, by the way.
I want to see your move.
Okay, first we will see the birds dancing. Everybody clap your hands. Come on, Zafood, let's go for it. Hey buddies, let's push it out.
How do you come?
That's Twinkie. That's Coco. It's dancing.
Wow, look at this move. What a move.
You like it?
Yeah, love it. Chididum, 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 dum, dum. You know what? They can shake to the east and west. That's why they are the best, right? Yes.
Now wait. I want to ask all the people out here.
Okay.
Friends, tell me, did you like the birds dancing? This girl in the pink, come here. Tali mama, come here. Everybody clap your hands for her. Come stand here. Choose me. What's your name? Come here, Dorit. Dorit, tell all these people you like the birds dancing. Amazing. You know, I'm going to tell you something. They are dancing amazing. I can dance super amazing.
Really?
You want to see me dancing?
Okay.
Music. Come on, let's go, DJ.
I what? Michael Jackson. Hey, you better stop dancing. They are laughing at you.
How I dance like Fifi Abdul, right? You will not go outside, huh? Hey, wait. Coco, you like my dancing? No. My dancing is bad? Pinky dancing is bad?
Yeah.
See? No.
You tell these people who is the best dancer, me or the birds, because you are my friend and mashallah you're so beautiful. Tell everybody who's the best dancer, me or the birds. Like you, like that. Thank you for the sit down. Thank you.
Both of you.
Sit down.
Good.
Alright, perfect. Everybody clap your hands, trainer Hans and Pinky. They will join us a bit later. African grey parrots. Hey, birds don't eat chips. Give it to me. I'm a bird. I will eat chips.
Come on, it's time to play basketball.
What's your name?
Be a part of NBA Superstars. Come on, LeBron James. And he puts it in.
Okay, we're gonna go with the purple. What is yellow?
Yellow, the color of banana.
What is green?
Of course, green banana.
What is red?
Red banana.
What is blue?
Blue banana.
Hey, stop it. There is no blue banana.
There is carbon damage.
Okay, 1, 2. Okay, now all the children look nicely. Coco will do something. If you do this, your mommy and your daddy will be very happy. What is it? Called cleaning.
You know what, kids? Try to surprise your parents. Do this at home. They will be proud of you. Once you see some rubbish, you have to pick it up and put it in the trash bin, alright?
Yes, and what you do after cleaning is also important.
Come on, Coco, you have to show to the kids your good manners. That you have to close the bin always.
Bravo. Now friends, I want everybody to sit down because Coco is going to talk to you. Sit down, sit down. Make some videos but no flashlight, okay? Coco is a young boy. Coco, flashlight off please. Coco, we are in Dubai. What is the first thing you say to family when you meet them?
Coco, say hello to everyone in Arabic.
Walaikum assalam to everybody out here. Coco, wait. Remember, what do we ask people when we meet them first time?
Coco, ask everybody, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, we're all doing very well. Coco, mashallah, look, we got beautiful people. What do we ask to them? Yeah, hold it. Oh, yeah, what is it? Okay, which is that one friend who takes your food and run outside? Okay, now friends, Coco is a very good boy. He's only 5 years old. Coco, when you see a beautiful girl, what do? Amazing. And imagine everybody has their birthday today. What do we sing? Happy birthday to everybody. Coco, time to go home. It's your mama. Bye-bye. Everybody clap your hands for your mama and African Grey Parrot. Paka paka. Wassalam.
You know what? They can copy for more than 900 words.
That's right. It depends
Yeah.
how you teach them. Okay, now get ready because I'm gonna need the help of some of you. We're gonna start with you, and you. Okay, come stand on top. Come on, stand here. Catch an insect. Let go. Come. Come, catch. Come. Catch the ring. Okay, come on, kids. Come fast. You also come join. Catch it. Yes. Let go for you. Okay, hold it. Come, princess. Okay, catch it time. Yeah, insectly, okay? Please come. Have a seat. Alright, now, kids, don't be scared, okay? We're gonna have a small bird flying. Jackie, we are ready. Let's go. Jackie. Don't shake the ring. And beautiful. Okay, now we don't have to be scared. If you be scared, the bird will be scared. Okay, Mariam, let's go one more time. Hold it, boy. 1, 2, go. And beautiful. Thank you, girls. Sit down. Next round. 1, 2, 3, come. Boy, down. That boy, come down. You go with the big birds. Wait. Come down fast. Catch the ring. You also. Yeah. Everybody, come, champion. Come, catch it. Yes, catch the ring. Brother, you catch here. Okay. 1, 2, let's do this. Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you. Sit down. Come on up, Prince. Hey, baby, you have to sit down. Hi, darling. Just hold it. It's okay. 1, 2, let's do this. Beautiful, Jamila. Thank you so much. You are more scared than the kids. Okay. Now, we will have 2 birds. They are coming from a big country called Brazil. One of my beautiful birds is a favorite love and has a color. Okay, everybody, please welcome the toucans, Rio and Ria.
The Tucanos from Brazil.
Look at me. I will show you how to feed the food to the bird. We put some cherries on your hand. The bird flies to your hand just like this. You feed the bird. Then you close your hand and the bird flies back to the tree now. Baba, come, Baba, come.
I want to do also.
Two? Okay, only one. Yeah, you can try. Baba,
Coffee next time where?
choose my telling Baba. Okay, Baba, keep your hand like this.
That's coffee.
Now, Baba said, oh, remember we have a rule. Don't eat the food, huh? Okay, give it up. 1, 2, let's fly. Come on, Ria, let's go. MashaAllah. It's gonna eat the food, so close your hand. She likes you. Thank you so much. Shukran, sir.
Me. She scared me.
Yeah. Don't worry, we're gonna try to pick up some more people from around. Come, stand here, please. Raise your right hand. Don't drop the food down, okay? 1, 2, let's go. Hold it, don't shake your hand. Come on, Ria, let's go for it. These are 2, 1 boy, 1 girl. The one flying is the girl. There you go. Close your hand. She's looking at you. Thank you so much. Everybody say goodbye to Rio. Goodbye to Ria. Bye-bye. Shukran. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to call some more of you. You will come, buddy. Don't worry. Now, we're going to talk about some sports. We will have 2 teams. One flying this side, one flying that side. You all will play for a team and tell me which team you want to play for. Okay, DJ, we're playing basketball.
Let's do it.
Okay, whenever you're ready, basketball players.
Here they come.
Who's that? Green and white.
The green and white.
Okay, DJ, which team you want to play today?
After green,
Okay, I'm going to go white. Who wants my team white? Hands up.
you will lose.
Who wants green?
Yes, we will win.
We will find out. 1, 2, go.
But you have to tell us first the rule.
Rule is simple. Who has winner, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, good, 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 good.
Wala sa huli.
Good, good. Green team!
Clap your hands for Team White, everybody.
Okay, green team is the winner.
What?
You can ask your judge.
Wait. Baba, Baba, which team is white or green? Green, but your wife is supporting white team. She's supporting white, Baba. Which team win? White. Okay. Can you tell me which one is boy, which one is girl in there?
This one girl. This one girl.
Okay. How many think white is girl? Hands up, please. How many think white is boy? Okay. It's so simple to know the boy and the girl. Always remember simple things. The ones who are always coming first, before time, always waiting, are always the poor boys.
Why girls always comes late? I don't believe. Come on, bro.
You don't believe?
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask my friend.
Okay.
Baba Salam, do you think girls are sometime late?
Sometimes, always.
Always. It's okay, it's okay. It's Baba's belief. Baba, by any chance, do you think you are better than your wife?
Careful, Baba.
Khalas, why do you think that? No, we are all family, love each other all the time. Okay, who wants to come and feed the birds?
You said
Okay, how I will decide. Listen, we're gonna play a simple game. You win, you come, okay? The bird will do some painting. All that you have to do, even mommy, daddy, put your hands up, tell me, what do you think the painting looks like? Shuchufu, like a butterfly, rainbow. Put your hands down, let it paint. If you are closer to what it is, you come and feed the next one, okay, Jesse? Okay, sit down. Sit. Mom, if daddy wins, he comes. Where's the remote control for this car? Alright, ready? Let's go. John and Picasso, we are ready here in the house, yeah? Okay, let me tell you about this bird. It's called a silvery breast cockatoo. Cockatoos come in 4 different colors: white, pink, grey, and black. How you recognize the boy and the girl? By the color of the eye. If the eye of these birds are fully black like him, it's a boy. Eye is red, the one flying before. Girl, Sophia. Yes, the one flying before, her name was Sophia. They're beautiful, yeah. This is John. John is 7 years old. Now, all that you have to tell me, what do you think the painting looks like? Okay, she said bird, but for me it's like a fire.
Like fireworks?
A dolphin. She said the dolphin is a dolphin.
Dolphin.
Abstract. Dolphin. Anybody else? Yes. Rainbow. Louder. A rainbow bird, DJ.
Rainbow bird.
Llama, okay. On the top. What do you think she should be? What? Looks like who? Like me. Looks like me. DJ,
Yeah.
what do you think the painting looks like?
It's look like Osan. Horse.
Horse.
Yeah.
We will ask him. Is this a horse? No. I said fireworks. Is it fireworks?
No.
They said like an abstract painting on a dolphin? No.
No.
Llama painting? No.
Hey! It's an animal, bro.
Which animal? An animal,
Like this.
an animal jumping on the tree. Which animal jumping on the tree?
Yes.
Huh? Wait. I know so many monkeys. Chimpanzee? No.
How about something look like gorilla?
Wait, something looks like gorilla?
No?
Oh,
Something
yeah.
look like gorilla.
Okay, which monkey looks like gorilla?
Bro,
Yeah.
what is your favorite fruit?
I like banana.
Why you love banana?
It's easy to eat.
You know what? The paintings looks like you.
Looks like me.
Yeah, gorilla.
Oh, that's your classmate there?
Ask your friend.
Kids, do I look like this? Say, hey, John, they say this is my face. I look like a monkey.
Who is besides you?
Monkey.
No, chimpanzee.
Everybody clap your hands. Low in the house. Thank you. Okay, now what's gonna happen? Listen to me carefully. I'll try to. This girl come down. The girl in the blue come down. And you come. No, only small then I'm gonna take you. Come. Come stand here. Come, stand. Yes, come. Okay, now we're gonna play a simple game. The next round, next batch. Come stand here. One straight line facing me like this. Girls, can you form a line? Come behind. Okay, what's your name? Latifa, raise your hand like this. Everybody, watch Latifa. She's gonna do something. We will all follow, okay? Latifa, don't be scared, okay? 1, 2, let's go. Aladdin. Aladdin is a beautiful bird from Brazil. He's gonna fly in the world. Please welcome Mr. Blue, everybody. Here we go.
Daraja, Hawaii.
Come on.
Yalagay sa Libiyala, Taala.
Push, push.
One more station,
Which one?
Al-Mahakal, Kalimahia. Where you going?
Looks like one more station.
Is going to Expo. Ashrin.
Push it up all the way.
Let's do it.
DJ,
Yeah.
how was the experience all alone together with it?
It's really amazing, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna join
You
this.
should visit me. I believe.
Yeah.
Philippines.
Hey baby, careful, huh? Good job, girl. Thank you so much. Now, we're gonna do something exclusive. We never do this before. It's gonna be our first time pushing up all the way. Okay, for this one, we're gonna need a boy. Hey, come. Come. I'm the little boy. You're gonna come there next round for it. You want a boy? Okay, you're gonna hold that for us. Hold the pen. Go 3 steps behind. Everybody watch out what's gonna happen. It's called a secret Santa. We have a board with so many numbers over here. I wanted to choose a number from this board, any number. Whichever number you choose, write it secretly, don't show anybody. Choose and write it, don't show anybody. Done? Hide the board. Okay, don't show, cheater. He showed it 4 people, that's Rena Hans. Only tell us yes or no if your number is on that paper, okay? Paper number 1, is your number there? Yes. Okay, Hans' number, yes. Paper number 2, is your number there? What? No.
No.
Paper number 3, is your number there? Yes. Something is not right. Is your number there? We cannot see the number. Hans. Is your number there? Yeah. Fingers crossed. Yes? What is it?
How many yeses?
3.
3 yeses and 1 no?
Hey, is your number from your?
What?
Okay, they said it's number 15. What do you think it is?
15?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, number 15.
15? 12. But I think so. I know the number already. It's number 6. Okay, bro, he's playing with us now. Okay, now I think it's number 6 because I'm the one who created this game, so I know it. She said 4. Okay, let's see. Blue, what's the number? Go for it.
What is the first number? 1. So 2 digits number.
15.
15, of course. What is that, bro?
Number 13. Number 13. Wow. Wait. Hey, buddy, tell me, you want to know how did the bird pick your number up? How many of you want to know how did the bird know how to pick up? Yes, if I'm going to tell you, tomorrow the company throw me outside. Okay, now what's going to happen? We're going to play a game. If you win the game, I'm going to give them a prize. Because I can see this side is very energetic. Okay, so let's play a game. If they win, prize is yours. If you win, prize is yours. A ball in the middle. Look very carefully. 1 bowl will cover the ball, 2 empty. I will only mix. When I stop, you tell me under which cup is the ball. Number 1, 2 or 3. If you are right, check it out. A chocolate box.
Yeah.
But we'll play a practice round first, okay? Shout the number loudly. Watch out. Abracadabra. Which number? She said this side. Go back, go back. Okay, both of them are wrong. Okay, but you know what? You have to sit down and call the number. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. If you get up, Mafi chocolate, okay? Let's go again. Watch out. Sit down, my friend. 1, 2, call out the number. Let's go. Which number? 1. Yeah. Okay. So that means they all are looking now. Now, final round.
Let's do the real one.
I'm going to ask only the first person, DJ, who
Yeah.
will tell me under which cup is the ball. Ready?
I'm ready.
Watch. 1, 2. You have to sit down and tell me. Let's go.
Hey, faster. And come on, faster. Stop.
You know, DJ, when you play Magic Trick, sit down. Wait. Tell everybody what? DJ, can you tell it? I took the ball. No ball. So no ball. Move aside. Everybody look. They said no ball. Check this out.
No chocolate.
Everybody sit down. Blue, where's the ball? Let's go. Hey, come here.
Let's do it one more time, bro.
Dal, come down, big boy. Dal. Everybody clap your hands for him.